Python lists are dynamic. You can add, insert, or merge items. Let's learn three essential functions: append, insert, and extend. So, starting with append. Append adds one item to the end of the list. Let's see this code for example. Our list as of now contains apple and banana. Now, I want to add the word mango to the end of my list. So I would do fruits dot append because fruits is the name of my list. This would add mango to the end of the list. So if apple is index 0, banana is 1, mango would become my second index. Insert function is basically used to add a list item in a specific position of the list. So if the list right now is apple, banana, mango, cherry with positions 0, 1, 2, 3 respectively, and I want to add another list item, say kiwi, in the position between apple and banana, which means position 1, I want to move banana to position 2. To do that, the list would then look like this, right? So if the original list apple, banana, mango, cherry, using the line of code fruits dot insert, I would first specify what is the position I want to add it in, which is between apple and banana, position 1, and the name of the list. So the new list would then be apple, kiwi, banana, mango, cherry. Moving on to insert. Now, extend is used when you want to add multiple items to your list at once. So, let's take this example. I want to add kiwi and pear in my list, but I don't want to add them separately. Extend allows me to add them together. So, it would together add kiwi and pear into my list. So, it would now be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be my index positions for all my list items. So, the basic function that would be used for this is extend. So this is a small table to help you remember. Append is used to add one item. Insert is used to add one item at a specific spot. And extend is used to add multiple items to the same list. Thank you.